Hi everyone. In this video I want to show you the TBS Gear Puch version 1. Version 2 just released last week and I don't have it, so I will review the version 1. It's a soft case. It's about, so you can't expect much protection from this case. I think it's more useful for the tools and keeping something that doesn't need much protection. It is 190 grams, so it's lightweight, and you can, yeah, that's a good thing actually. Let me open it. When you open it, it's actually simple box with 3 velcros that you can use to organize your gear pouch. It has some spaces for you to put some tools. For example, here I used to insert my DJI antennas, the default antennas. About the size, let me just show you. I think if you want to compare, I can fit one DJI antenna in it. Yeah, as I told you, it won't protect much, but it can fit. And if you want, for example, to add a TBS Tango 2 controller, yes, it can fit as well. Not very well, but yeah, as you can see, the zipper can be closed. Yeah, it can fit, but definitely it can't protect very well. So I'm personally using more for the tools, something that I do not care if they got any hit. Yeah, I'm using now, as you can see, I fit my DJI antennas with the Axi HD antennas, that are the low profile antennas, but even if you use the normal antennas, it will fit as well. So yeah, that's it. It's useful, I think, mostly for the tools, not for your goggle or for your transmitter. Thank you.